a brand new video on how to install Google Chrome on our Mac. So just follow along with me. So go here, type, download Google Chrome. So click here to also get more done with this. You just click here, download, and they have to accept the license. Thank you for downloading Chrome. It's gonna take some time. To install, so you're gonna take some time to download. It's not really quite a big file. It's also a little big file, 76.3 megabyte. Just be a little bit patient. It's not like so many remaining for us to finish our installation. How many remaining? It's almost done. Almost 20 something seconds remaining. Almost 30 seconds. We are almost done. We are through. So yeah, we just open. Opening Google Chrome.dmg. So from here, just click, drag. Have to follow this line. Take the Google Chrome, bring it to this application. That is how you do it on Mac. But on Windows, it's a little bit different. So Google Chrome has already been installed. So where can we find it? We just go to Finder, Google Chrome is an app download from internet. Are you sure you want to open? Of course, open. Start Google Chrome. Do you want to change your default web browser to Google Chrome or keep using this Safari? I just take the one. You can choose whatever you want. So that is how you install Google Chrome on your Mac. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any question, please post it down below. Until then, see you.